Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Hasan Zeki Alp. I've been presenting modern programming languages since 2019, and tonight I'll be coming a surprise for you. Actually, I'm not a harbinger, but all the time I do my best for coming with new surprises and new developments. I'm talking about nteract. Actually, nteract is a new notebook, an alternative. Notebook, it can be said that an alternative notebook for Colab, Jupyter, Kaggle. But I would like to mention that I have newly invented this one, found out this one, and I'll do my best to present you all the details for installing and how to utilize it, how to implement its capabilities within this framework, within this video content there, guys. And just I'd like to share this screen. So in order to present you, in order to make you view what I am searching right now. Just yeah, yeah. This is testing for voice, testing 1, 2, 3. As far as it is good, so we can go on with our program. Yes, as I said, tonight I'll be presenting you a new notebook, an alternative notebook. It's called nteract. Actually, maybe you can say that teachers, we have got already Kaggle, Colab, or Jupyter. What on earth can we do with this new notebook? Just it's surprising, you guys. Just I will show you one by one, step by step, how to search it and how to install it and how to use it one by one, step by step. And just when you write interact without en interact, okay. So by means of this browser, I use Edge browser. Just you can see here this log interact. Write your next code and another GitHub resources and etc. It goes on. So just uh, we have to select one of them in order to go deep inside how interactive it is actually. So by means of this website that I want to share, its URL, it's a URL here. Okay, intact IO. That's not the only URL that you can use. Besides this URL, just I can show you another one here. Okay, just another resource. Just you can see deep wiki. It's some derivative of Wikipedia, I guess. So by I want to share this URL with you also. This is the wiki site. In order to be informed about Interact as well. So maybe it's surprising, but that we can say that it's an starting star, a new start, a burning star. Just I'd like to draw your attention this website. This is nteract.io directly. If you write in your browser, search at your search field, you will get this site. Just when you search the tabs, uh, just you can get about this site itself. But if you are impatient and you want to find out much more about this notebook, so I suggest to click on this button. Just I want to make another window page, uh, window pane for this one. So just you can select other platforms like iOS or Linux, but in my machine, just I prefer Windows, and I've already installed it here. And just let's have a look for others. Core software development package here, SDK. And when you have a look, about this one, you will get this explanation. As far as you see, you can create some more eye-catching graphics, and by means of GitHub, you can reach other trivia for Interact. Just I can give this URL. Okay. What I am doing is just to attract your attention for this new utility, you guys. And just after mentioning this, and let me present this by means of SourceForge. As far as I understand, SourceForge gives an download capability, download possibility for this one. And just by means of SourceForge, you can reach this utility. It's open source as well. Interact. Just let me try by clicking this one. Okay, just you can click on this download, and it's gonna take some time. And after completing all the required steps in your hard disk, yes, for example, setup, okay, let me store it here. Downloaded once, and Interact setup. Okay, and it's ready. Just what is left to you? Just clicking here, and after completing all steps, all the installation steps, you will be reaching Interact, right? Just let me show. I use Win 11, so in this menu section, you will probably find Interact. Okay. Okay. When you click, installation tries to open that relevant page. Okay, and from now on, I will stop showing you other resources because almost it's finished. There have been some extra information about this notebook. It's that revolutionizing notebook experience. Maybe it's a little bit exaggerating, but it's better. You are better to try this new netbook. I advise you because so far I have already presented one lesson, one video content by using nteract. Maybe you have already noticed that. And another one, non-focus. It's a tantalizing expression actually here. nteract is a standalone desktop application for developing computational notebooks. nteract allows users to craft narratives involving text, code, images, etc. So not only any notebooks, just you can create some documentation as well, beside ordinary notebooks, I can say. Just I want to share this URL with you also. Thank you so much, Ortak Bilgisayar. Nice to talk to you. Welcome to my channel. You're unfamiliar for me. Unfamiliar for me. Have you already subscribed my channel, Ortak Bilgisayar G1S? Thank you so much. As far as you understand my description, my language, good. So far, so good, I think. And what I have been presenting you this nteract presentation website. And what about this one? Another one. So another one saying that nteract will be an interesting notebook besides all the other notebooks such as Jupyter, Kaggle, Colab, etc. So data science notebooks, maybe you can find it useful. So I want to share this URL once again. From starting this presentation, I promised myself, I said that, Mr. Alp, please be your best as far as you become understandable. So I prefer plain English, understandable English. Actually, English is not my native language, so excuse my accent. Maybe you can find it ridiculous, but it's not my native language, native tongue. So maybe you find it interesting or ununderstandable. Okay, I do my best. So this presentation line already finished, and from now on, I want to switch to this page. No, not that one. This is my other project here by using okay. Let me assume that you have already installed it and you want to try to create an notebook, for example. So what is left? Just to say to choose what you want to do, actually. At first, uh, I've already installed Julia, for example, here. So just you can select Julia and, for example, Node.js and R and Python. Actually, maybe you can say that we can use Python by means of Jupyter, Spider, or PyCharm, or Visual Studio. But as I said, this is a fresh new development or environment. Notebook actually, so it can be a change for a change for you. So when you select here in order to create a notebook, for example, but just be careful that at the very beginning I was not so careful. So instead of mentioning a more reasonable route, I've already registered it like that. It is not preferable for me. You know, I prefer the very root directory, and it's very easy to reach from that root directory instead of preferring these drives. Uh, Not OneDrive, actually. I prefer to directly at my hard disk. So, for example, you choose here what which programming language you wanna create. You wanna script. You wanna make scripts, and you will directly choose one of them. And after that, you can use save and save as. And when you say save as, you have to mention instead of here. Just as I said, I always use this root one. Users and this one, and directly, where is it? Jupyter. Okay. And exactly our Julia notebook stands here, lies here. Okay. And just what else we can say? Just when you open this the very beginning, the very fresh new application window, just when you click here, you can add cell, or you could prefer to use this buttons. For example, add a new button. For example, let me here say okay. And it's very practical when you use this one, just like this one. And step by step, you can add extra cells. This one. It's more practical. Down button and control button. And whenever you wanna delete any cell, you can delete by using this button. And step by step, it increases this cell number. So whenever you want to clear all outputs, and if you want to start it at the very first, restart and run. Okay. And what else? Just you want to use where to find it, or where to file it, where to save it. And if you prefer to close that picture, that window, just you can use this one. And at the end, for example, you wanna for example, light mode or dark mode, and that if you want to install another additional kernel, so just you are directed all the way to this website, and here, for example, you could prefer Julia, and by applying these buttons, with these commands, and uh, you will be using that. But before that, of course, you have to install Julia SDK, software development environment, into your hard disk, you guys. And by doing this, you will be directed all the way to julia.org, and step by step, you could prefer the very fresh, very last Julia by using this one for Windows, and evet, yes, and you could prefer to use previous versions. For example, most of the time I install more than one version for an programming language. In fact, let me show it to you. For example, app data. Where is it? Programs here. Okay, just what I mean is just like this one. Julia 1.10, Julia 1.10.4, Julia 1.10.9, and this is the very last one, the latest one. Okay, and Julia 1.11.3, and if you want to see the details, you will be seeing this one, binary, and this is the very useful app, Julia, the very latest one. Okay, and this sometimes is called as a kernel, sometimes interpreter, how you like it. And without installing these sources, it's impossible to make it run, you guys. You have to install at least one of them, in fact, in order to be suitable, compatible with the website. I prefer this one, this version. This is good, so far so good, no problem with that version. So I advise you to use this version 1.10.9, Julia 1.10.9. So we have described all this one. Where is it? Here. And just you have to, you might desire to install a shell command, updated shell command. So directly you follow the buttons, and it's done for you, like this one, additional kernels. And what about this one? It minimizes and closes. What about preferences tabulate? You could you could select a very special version here, a very special programming language here. Just advise you, you can use other one, and team that one. I said that, and you could prefer if your steps or your script stuck on a point and you want to make it run once again, restart, I mean, so you can use this one. It will take some time if your notebook is so large, and as long as it is short, it is up to you to restart it. But I don't advise you to make it run with larger scripts, larger notebooks, you guys. What about this one? You can use, you want to use full toggle screen, full page, or you want to increase its size. I mean, larger ones or the smaller ones. And you want to run a specific cell, for example, this one or that one. And after it's indexed, you can directly use this cell type. And it's a utility. It makes easy to reach to make it run the specific cell. What I mean. And what about this one? This is the editing facilities. This is for editing facilities. And for example, before starting anything, you could prefer to have a look with R or Python or Node.js. For example, with R, raw plotly was raw plotly. There exists raw plotly, and with Python, there have been so many examples. Just for example, let me try this one. For example, as it is set, this is IR display library, and this is our code. Let me have a look. This is a vector, and this is another vector, and I prefer scatter function, and I try to make it list, and after making another list, this data is ready, and just I sent this data structured data to figure, and after using MIME bundle, let me do this. Punch kernel. So I have to mention that what is set. You have to install this kernel. Step by step, after you complete all these required commands, you will be seeing this one, you guys. And this is one example. This has been one example for that one. For example, just we can use triad vega alter. Okay. Once again, I have to mention that before doing any notebook activity, you have to install it, and after that, you have to select it. For example, this one, and you will be using this one. And what about to get a documentation, for example, just as I said, when you where was it? Okay, okay. Just you could prefer to make it published, for example. Whenever you have entered, you have logged in guest, this gonna be this gonna be published, and anybody can reach your study. And or you could prefer to make it in PDF form, so you could save it in your library, in your archive. Yes, yes, you guys. In this short video, just I'd like to present you this new utility. It's nteract. Nteract. It's the one that I met lately nowadays. Just I wanted to share my interest with you, and I've already shared website URL, and whenever you have time, you can have a look this website, and in case not, and as I said, you can download here source by means of SourceForge or here directly. And of course, there have been so tiny little society after that. But let me have a look about libraries, for example. When the concern is libraries, you have to be careful about that because as far as you have a large library, that means you can do much more sophisticated things. Sophisticated programs can be read by means of these libraries, paper mill, for example, and scrapbook, and what about other trivia? Documentation. Just if you prefer documentation, just this website would be helpful for you. Yeah, and here when you say nteract, for example. Of course, when you already install it by means of Git utility, just you can reach your study here. And what else can we say at this time? Okay. 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 And at this phase, I'd like to show you my last content, video content, and by means of nteract, I've already presented you the very first Julia notebook, and let me show you. Actually, maybe tomorrow morning, I will be presenting you another version of Julia notebook, and its syntax, in fact. And as far as you are interested, you can subscribe to my channel, and when you activate the warnings, you will be informed about new broadcasting whenever I make another video content to you guys. Let me show you my last. Okay, this is the Julia, and so far I made a long video content, and as far as I remember, I've already presented this one, performance combine. Okay, let me paraphrase one thing, because this has been a long notebook content actually. So whenever you are not obliged to restart all the content, please do not restart and run. What I'm saying, why I'm saying this one, because it's going to take so much time, and most of the time you have to spend so many minutes in order to be restart and give the specific outputs. So as long as you are not obliged to do that, just you make it run the specific cell, and that's all what I'm saying. Otherwise, it's gonna stuck by consuming so much time. Okay, that's all what I wanna say about this new utility, you guys. And just I can say that if you are interested and if you are bored of using Jupyter notebook or Colab notebook, so that could be an interesting another website, another utility. Just I'd like to share this utility with you. That's all, you guys. Thanks for your interest. And if you comment about this notebook, I would appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and bye.